guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup review for you. I'm going to be reviewing two products by Mented Cosmetics. They're brand new to me. They are the Color Intense eyeshadow sticks. I just have a little card here. I picked up two of them. I picked up Better Off Bronze and Deja Brew. I just want to read kind of the summary. It says, introducing Color Intense eyeshadow sticks, crease proof, budge proof, waterproof. These eyeshadow sticks are a year-round staple that are safe to use anywhere on the eye, including your waterline and tear duct, which is super cool when you want to create like a really intense smoky eye look. So I have to try that. Available in 3 shimmer shades to play up your eyes and 1 matte shade to add depth. You can mix and match the colors for endless possibilities. And then there's a note from the founders. Tried and tested by the Mented team, our Color Intense eyeshadow sticks are just that intense. And a go-to for me when I'm not interested in fussing with brushes and need to take my look from day to night. I hope you love them just as much as I do. XOKJ. And that's the founder, by the way. Go ahead and kind of rewind. I'm going to demo the eyeshadow sticks for you, swatch them. Like I said, I got 2 shades. I got Better Off Bronze, which is like a nice shimmery color, and then I got Deja Brew, which is like a beautiful deep brown, perfect for smoky eye look. So I'm super excited to test these out. I really feel like these are going to be like my go-to staple for fall makeup looks. I love like a smoky brown eye look. It's just so simple for me, and it creates this beautiful depth because obviously I have brown eyes. So I love creating like a simple brown smoky eye. And I feel like fall and winter I can almost get away with wearing it every day. I feel like in spring and summer I'm like forced to use other colors to kind of switch it up. But fall winter I love like a smoky brown look, and that's it. So let's rewind and let me go through the swatches with you guys and create a smoky brown eye look. So here are the eyeshadow sticks that I'm going to be trying out today. They're the Color Intense sticks. So and this is how it looks. It's so pretty. Look at that. So here's Better Off Bronze, and that's Better Off Bronze. Deja Brew, and I'm gonna put it just all over. It's really nice that it's a smooth, creamy formula because your eyelids are very delicate, so you don't want to be like rough and pulling on them. I don't have like any eyelid primer or anything. It's just my foundation. So I'm gonna just use this brush and just blend. I just blend the edges. So here is Deja Brew. I'm gonna add Off Bronze. So I use the Deja Brew as like the base and for the smoky effect. And now just to the lid, exactly what I was looking for. I'm gonna like finish up the rest of my makeup and then come back. All right guys, so this is the final look. This is the perfect eyeshadow look. Now this is a simple look that I can do day to night. It's not a super intense look. I can definitely do it up more if I wanted to create a more, you know, kind of nighttime look. For daytime, I think this is perfect. All right guys, so here's the final look. My kind of overview thoughts on the formula. I love how effortless and easy it is to apply. It's literally the perfect, I think, travel on the go product. For me, I'm definitely going to be using this. This is going to be my new staple for fall and winter because I love a brown smoky eye, and it's just super easy. You just kind of swipe it on. It's super pigmented. I love how smooth the application is and how buttery soft it feels. I mentioned that while I was applying it because I noticed that you want to be super delicate with your eyes and you don't want anything that's tugging at your eyes. And sometimes these eyeshadow sticks are really like stiff and harsh almost. So I really love how smooth this applied. It just glided on my eyelids effortlessly. Again, I did create kind of a simple daytime look. I could definitely do it up more if I wanted to do like a nighttime look, but I think this was perfect for what I wanted to achieve. The color payoff was amazing. But like I said, I think how creamy and easy it applies, like how smooth it applies, that's truly what makes this product a win. And I'll definitely be using it more. So guys, I'm going to put my code down below. As always, if you're shopping with Mented Cosmetics, you can use my code Zara Justina for an additional 15% off your order. I really do recommend the Color Intense eyeshadow sticks. That's it for today's video. That's my first impression review of the Color Intense eyeshadow sticks by Mented Cosmetics. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty, so if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, guys.